Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone alright. Manners and respect, you see. Alright, now I have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you, and I would like you to tell me what to think about these videos that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the first video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a man and a woman about money. I do not know exactly where and when the video will be recorded, and in my words, and based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that the female said that the man ordered a certain amount of pork for a certain amount of money, but in my point of view, it seems as if the man was not able to pay the female at a certain time, and that made the female angry, you see. Now, the video shows the female holding a machete, viewers and subscribers, and the female used that machete to hit the man. The video also shows other persons as well, no viewers and subscribers. You can also hear other persons talking in the video. You see me I say? And one of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video is being talked about on social media. I would like you to look at this video and tell me what I think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. I'm going to tell you what I think is best after I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, I'm going to present the video to you, but I want you to please bear in mind that this video shows when a female hit a man with a machete. In the video, you can hear the female yelling and shouting. The video also shows when the female pointed the machete towards the man, viewers and subscribers, and you can also hear when the female threatened the man. You can also hear harsh language in the video, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe.
Nobody don't know your son. You know him?
Where's that going?
Come here. You saw me? No, I second time I see him.
You said everybody machine for the money.
No, the people have money, you know. The people have money. You get me? I tell you. The people have money.
So I
have a pound of pork for $2,600.
machine.
Money. Understand? The people have money. The people have money, yo. Some stuff and dope. 5,000 from the girlfriend.
I only hope that she did not put herself in any trouble, viewers and subscribers. I really and truly hope so. I hope that no one got hurt either. See? Now, here's my best advice now towards a situation like that. You see? If someone come to your business establishment, or if someone come to a place where you're working at and order food or something, and the person was not able to pay for whatsoever the person order, and if the person cannot return whatsoever the person order, call the police. Call the police. Do not take certain type of situations into your own hands. You might put yourself in trouble with the law. You hear me and say, me people? Yeah man, call the police. And my best advice that. Hey, me I tell you, my people. Time tough, you know. It's like a competition in life. Everybody are trying to make it, you know. So you have to be careful when you do certain things in life. Come here and tell you, some people might handle situation in a calm way, but you have some people, it seems as if them allow anger to get the best of them. You see me I say? And some of the times it's like, well, this is in my point of view. See? It seems as if a person or some persons might not realize what they're doing because of anger. You see me I say? So, me I tell you my people, John no star. See? So, the person wrong. If the person go to a business establishment and order certain things and then don't have no money for pay for it. But if you can find a calm and easier way to resolve the situation, it's best to do so. Violence at no point in my point of view, should never be the answer. No, violence should never be the answer. At no point. As some me look on life. But you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, if you like the way how I do this video, and if you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Plus, it would be really and truly appreciated. So me I say, anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and according to some things that I saw and heard in this video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that an Asian man said dog meat, and he also said the word delicious. See? Now, the video also shows bones that I believe are animal remains. You see what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? And in the video you can hear someone talking in the background of the video as well to viewers and subscribers. Now this video is being talked about on social media because of some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers. Now before I present this video to you, I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
Chin. The world need to see that one. The world want to see it. What is this? A dog draw that in a chin.
You in there? You in there?
What? What is that? What is this? What's this?
Yeah, donkey and a dog.
Dog?
Yeah.
What's this?
Dog.
Dog?
Yeah.
You like?
You like that?
You eat it?
Fuck.
Eh? I want to come here and go with a man precious. Eh, very no good.
Good.
Eh, this one, very no good. You, taste away, change away.
Meat, dog meat, very delicious.
Who?
Dog meat. Yes or no?
Dog meat.
Yeah, very delicious.
Chin, come on, let me go back to her. Come. No delay. Come in. Come.
Yeah man, I bet you go back go work. My people, listen, you see, each and every countries worldwide have their own culture and so forth. You see me, I say my people, that's just how life go. You know what I mean? Jamaicans might not eat certain things. Asians might eat certain things. It depends on where you come from in the world. That's just how life go. Because if, for example, me as a Jamaican, you know, was not a Jamaican and say I'm born in China, maybe me would have do the same thing too. What China people do. I just saw life go. You see me I say, you know what, it's just that it's just that you have some people who really and truly just find it somewhat bad because of where them come from. But you know, we should try our best to try and understand that that's their way of life. Now, even though each and every one should try and be understanding when it comes on to where a person is from and what's the culture of the country that the person is from, viewers and subscribers, it's also good for each and every one to have some form of understanding when it comes on to a person's culture and the country that they're from. You understand? So that means if this person does certain things in that country, that don't mean it is legal for that person to do the same thing in another country. You see me? Because you have countries out there worldwide with rules and laws that protect certain types of animals. You see me I say? So certain things that you do in your country, you might not be able to do it in another person's country. You see me I say, my people? So it's a give and take situation. So each and every one have to try and understand each other. But anyways, you know, you can let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, now I got the understanding that there are some allegations circulating on social media about a musician who goes by the name of Intense and a musician who goes by the name of Jashi. Yes, I got the understanding that there are some allegations circulating on social media saying that one musician hit the other musician hit the other. And I also got the understanding that other persons who are said to be musicians somewhat join into the so-called bad vibes between Intense and Jashi. Alright? Now, I also got the understanding that quite a number of persons posted videos on social media talking about Intense and Jashi, you see me? And also about other musicians as well. Some persons on social media defended Intense and some persons on social media defended Joshy. You know, you have fans on social media who basically defend the musician that them love when it comes on to bad vibes between musicians. You understand me? But anyways, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a man. And in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he talked about the musician who goes by the name of Intense. You see it? Now, I would like you to listen to the things that the person said in this video and tell me which musician do you think the person was defending. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Boy, I chat off them out a deep sub this James Cameron edition. No joke about it. Rolex, you understand me? We in a Sunfest and the barefoot. You see me? And we are the look on the bling them. You see me? No joke about it. Reality talk. G British this. Intense and your blogger friend them stop spread propaganda upon the youth. You see what I say? We in a Sunfest and watch you. Yeah, low John. You see me? And if scamming then come in, you never boss. Me, I tell you that. You see me? I be a buy out views. We all can hear what you say. And when the youth deliver the Intense. Go look for sticker rhyme and go look for teacher. Because remember, say, me have proof, say, you get up from half a tavern. The man, they make you have to get up from tavern. So, who you boy? Go proof and sticker rhyme them. And who, you never make no dope yet, so stop going like you a killer punk. Me, G British said that.
Some heavy words. Heavy words. You see me answer me people. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section who you think the person was defending. Let me know. You see me answer. I will tell you too if you ask. You see me answer, but let me know who you think the person was defending. Yeah. Yeah, man. There are also other videos on social media where you can hear persons talking about Intense and Joshy and other musicians as well, viewers and subscribers. But, you know, I'm going to leave those videos alone. Maybe another time in another video. Maybe. I have some other left with you, my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.